to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanz. Congratulations to Dietrich Bonolo on going to Germany, meeting with the RB Leipzig team. The meeting involves that RB Leipzig will be playing in South Africa against, guess who will be playing against RB Leipzig? You don't know. RB Leipzig will be playing against Mamelodi Sundowns. So Dietrich is there. He went there to Germany to look at how they're playing. So he can come back and tell Mamelodi Sundowns players and the coach, staff, management that this is their weak point. This is their weak point. Do this, don't do this. If you are interested in watching the game will be live on the 29th of May. Tickets are available from the 24th of April. So anyways, wasted enough time already. Let the show begin.
Re hlole ka tlala the whole day cause ngwana o re bon ragaja la hlela something e black ka pitcheng gane ke beef stock.
O papa me go spetlele kwa. O bone owner ya mushara e fa nese 500 a supa wena re ke ba da ohle.
Ya nthoma lena mos. Mara le tla nkhumana. Ene ntwe ke le botsa yona. Nna ntwe ke ithemile mo ke tlo e feleletse. Signing out.
Enter at your own risk.
What did you do?
Enter at your own risk. I'm saying enter at your own risk. Yeah, you should wait outside so that the air can clear.
Upinze baba.
Oh, baby.
Upinze bubi.
But I've been waiting for a long time here.
I gotta listen to things and call it twice.
Maybe you should go outside.
No, fine.
You're fine.
This PS someone like this twice.
Okay.
But because on the rules. I always feel like act as if I don't know PS someone talk. Is my husband speaking?
But I tried to be considerate. That is why I was saying to you, you better maybe and stay outside for couple of minutes. You can open the window. Yes.
It's not that you have a mind of a thief. You are a thief.
Mas wat iPhone yakho?
Obvious.
iPhone kak. Besa iPhone. Yes. Besa iPhone yakho.
Besa tak.
Yo.
Hola?
Futek wena man, futek.
Hayibo.
Ngitshela amasimba. Umuntu wakho. Vimba.
Hayibo.
Le show December tlo fitlana guys.
So, how you could relax anyana?
Flop wa bona like no late. So ne ke tla relax nyana cause ke a bona wa dulela ka.
Mochelele miss. Oh, okay.
Ngopo wetse fast.
Mchishana koma. Mchishana koma.
Ka ma 6 nyana. Why?
No, I want to know. Sa. Atonya.
Thank you.
Mchisha ka bo 6.
Ma 6 nyana na mola tla ka chaisha go spane. Why why?
Kuna mchisha. Andu.
Mara face ya how like o ka re ke o swantshanya nyana. Serious.
On sanchale man.
Ona lo ngenya lo ba re ke pudding. Pudding yeah like mara I think gore ko ene.
Ka dlala ke nna man. Yeah. Tsena ge re dule nyana.
No, flop ke jari.
Ka go
Ke jari order go. Tsantsi ke jari order go share no.
Please. Tsena.
Thank you.
Tsena hle.
Thank you. Go late.
Lava 1 round.
Like serious, go late.
Okay, tla ya ge o ntshware fela ge.
Like ke go ba disappoint.
Ke tlo fa BJ. Okay, tla fa quick BJ.
Actually, maybe late.
Wa.
Late. Yeah, late. Yeah.
Tsena. Please.
My brother, you are going to trend. But you should have ran away.
Wait, before. Rako ha o show mo.
Yeah, kita ba through.
O wa fru.
Yeah.
O show.
Yeah. Yes.
O mfante.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. Nara sound ku kamera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awona fru. O show wa fru.
Yeah, ke sure but.
O no motho. Ka o rata.
Yeah. Askola ke?
Yanda mo.
Chomine. Because I look like
Mona ke nyangana le grandpa botse. Hlo ya ka ya ba re o mbontsha.
Grandpa ne? Yeah, grandpa. Ona le ke choose. Mara idia
Ye
ke le kholo choose.
le yona ke kholo.
Ke bokae? Hawa, yo. Agir ke le packet ke le go le re ka berekisa matsa mantsi. So yo idia re ke bona price mo. Aya dura choose ka se ya 40. Ke bokae? Ke 45 rand antu yo.
Ne?
45.
Okay. 45 rand itla ba sharp.
Re jeke.
Mara wa ga fam.
Ke go la ke re berekisa matsa mantsi yo.
Na taba ka re ke go bala to.
45 rand a choose grandpa yo go.
Okay.
Re jeke.
Yeah, it's fine.
Sure.
Nyakutwa mna.
Iminyaka namuhle ngithi kuyabanza mina.
Mina kakubanzi katombola nama.
Mina ngithi kubanza kudlula tibuni engobiyani mina.
Ngithi mina ke utabona wena ngaJuly.
July mina.
Kuyobe kusabuka mtsithi mina.
Mtsithi mina. Mina ngithi ngabo July yobe kubanza mina kudlula timbungulo tenja mina.
Ngithi na timbungulo ngeke tiphume embhedzeni mina.
Mina kuyaya timbumulo yenja mina kuthi banza njani.
Utayiva itsatsazela so. Utayiva mina ke.
Mina ngisayogcoka lijezi mina.
Right, hamba mina.
Statistics. Statistical. What? Statistics. Characteristics.
Why guy?
Characteristics.
We creile tšhelete go romeletseng yona. Ke creile baby ka leboga ne. Banong o jele. Ke tla jang re tšhelete ke tla jang. Ha ke fotse sendela tšhelete wa pretend ga la rata. Sorry.
Dumela abuti, dumela.
Siyaduma.
Kudumani manje?
Siyaduma kubulisa.
Kanti isibheda usithibi wena?
Kasitivan.
That's why kiri dumela abuti.
Ke kupalis kang thaila masipa.
Hey bana itlangi. Already?
Ke kupalis kang thaila masipa.
Mihlolo. Abuti we ke autumelisa kiri dumela.
No ke so ukon kokotong uri batla kon kokotong ui batla kon kokotong.
Ke mihlolo hayibo.
Baby.
Buti we kiri dumela.
Kiri kang thaila masipa bomme.
Hey bana itwang.
Ayibo.
Hey buti kiri futekan man hamba cloud trap na.
Malume upholile. Yini kanti ithini pholi uSunday? Angibona ngiyibona Peritha. Abadlule boy. Yebo. Angiboni awushaya itsotso lapho ngibona ukuthi ngempela uwena yini. Awutsotso poporopho. La. Wasambe. Hayi wena ngempela. Awenze njani awuyiboni? Awungeke ufe. Ya baba la. Hayi. Uya. Ames. Hayi. Hayi manje. Hayi. Umuntu. Usayimbuzi baba. Ngibe imbuzi. Ngicela. Uzakawona. Hayi khona. Uzakalawo. Ule. Mas. Lele. Ujoji wena. Amen. Amen. Mas qabana baba ngizaya. Mas.
Hayi bamlimazi ngoba bamlimazi phela mthuthi uzophuma mfethu ugathi.
Total is 1,000 rand, boss. Oh, okay. Yeah, here you go. This is 900. What? This is 900. Oh, let me come. This is 800, man. You stole my 100. No, sorry. My 100 fell down. Oh. Huh? Sorry, man. My 100 also fell. Here's 1,000 right now.
Okay, guys. It's ngiyabuya ngisaya shop ngiyonthengela i-cold drink yena ne. Okay, Chom. Oh, ngiyana kanjani lona nendlela kibe sikwenza. Yazi wena dog ngithi ngine pimple lapha ngaphansi liyaluma. Hawu manje waye ungazungwayi? Kunini ngizama ukulungwaya la kanye ithole satisfaction ngiloko ngiyazungwaya like ayenzi mehluko. Yo askisi khumula ke ngikhona ukungwaya ngelimi yabo. Yo ngiyacela Chomi ithi ngikhumule ke ngizokhona ukuyenza. Ay manje Chomi siyenza phambi kwakhe vele. Ungawari ngaye akaboni akasibone ebusweni so asiyenze lapho sicede. Ngiyacela to. Wo. Hawu guys nenzani manje? Chomi ngine pimple lapha ngaphansi manje ngithi angingwaye lana. Mara ningayenza lento eniyenzayo phambi kwe family member. Hawu maruba bakhakaboni musi it's not like uyasibona. Chomi ubabami lo ungaboni. Lona umalume wami akezwa kuphela mara uyabona unibhekile. Hawu manje wayafaka ama specs engathi akaboni kanti. Hawu mara uwafake ngoba uqeda ukwathenga uyawathanda.
Baby, I'm outside. Wabani. I'm
outside mara sabula ke.
Wabani. Jahana. Wayona yo. Wamulao. Wayona yo.
Mujeremani, Germany. It's a big signing. I mean, one of the biggest signings ever. Okay, it's no ball. 1-2 RB Leipzig. Oh, man. New player. Big player. I didn't know I was famous here. Yeah, it's game day. I'm just waiting for the game day. Okay. Yeah.
Ehrlich zu sein, habe ich keine Ahnung, wer ist oder was hier macht. And then, of course, we have like the gyms in here. Yeah, we have like the soccer ball.
He loves me, that guy. It's like, bro, you the best. In German, it's like, oh, good.
Ich bin selber nur Praktikant und sollte ihn ein bisschen herumführen.
You should have came, bro. They took me to a robot. What room? What? The coach is like, I've never seen this. Had to take it to max. Max level, it's me. What time is lunch? It's like simple football.
Now?
Yes, I know. Let me show you this. Coach Chan is like, bro, you're a natural. I'm like, bro, I'm an athlete. What do you mean?
You like seems like a really fast player.
Yeah.
But you want to get better, huh?
Yes. Of money. I must put in work. And I showed on the pitch.
No problem. No problem. His abilities and his confidence are not really matching up.
I'm just waiting for my first game. Imagine me and Grant, the same page. I'll just go through this guy. I'll see them in end of May at Ridgeville.
Yeah. No.
Maybe I'll play the last 10 minutes and give the team something like 4 goals.
Finally we meet.
Yeah, finally yo.
How uyaphi manje?
Angiyachika umubi yo.
Mama Sibheka ngizokunika imali yomkhero.
Hello. Uya. Ushap. Bwana mtho. Wonani. Kana ka ubona wena wayijendwe. Werata. Tsara. Wena kana wa bodala badi. Yo le le tibelela, wa le tibelela gadi. Ngonga peshe tsona mo brele tse umfana ka. Go to re dia piada brele tse motho sa no drekela. This matter aja para heli dubile kemsile babu jabal regela ko moya dangi aji mak arza faro thabisa moholo nyana tse pedi fela
mfana go bala mfana yo ba serious ka career ka mfana ka ngwala next week
oh serious ka career spell career KHA
Oh no! Mama yangu, game over. Uwanja wake kaingia. Game ishaisha. Maana soko mnala uloingia. Wameisha.
Yini mama? Yini? Yini mama?
Hey. The best part about being married is the best part about being married is
what?
Okay, cut.
Ivan. You know I'm late. You see now the orange filter is coming. That means the sun is up. No, the brother is late. Guys, I do.